Hello, and welcome to My Country Living. I'm Tommy Ray. And today is Cinco de Mayo. It's May the 5th. Yes, we celebrate Cinco de Mayo in Charleston, South Carolina, because it's a great excuse to have margaritas. Now, I used to live in Colorado, and it was actually a lot bigger holiday in Colorado. We had a very large Hispanic population, and you were able to go to Cinco de Mayo celebrations and have a lot of great Mexican food. So we're not going to do that here in Charleston today, but what we are going to do is make ourselves some great margaritas. Now this is what I consider to be the world's greatest margarita recipe. And I got this margarita recipe from my friend Rich in Fort Collins, and I actually think it was, he got that from his girlfriend Carla. So Rich and Carla, if you're watching, thanks for this fantastic recipe. So this recipe really, it has only a couple of ingredients, but they're important ingredients. Of course you have your margarita mix. That's important. We're going to need 1 ounce of margarita mix. Tequila. We're going to need 2 ounces of tequila. We also have Grand Marnier. We're going to have 1 ounce of that and 1 ounce of Cointreau, plus a lime. Now, this margarita is fantastic, but it's even better with the best quality of tequila that you can buy. So if you can afford Patron or Silver Patron, get that, and this will be fantastic. Today, I'm using Mr. Jose Cuervo here. He's a good guy for me. I like Jose Cuervo, and he makes some great margaritas for me. But when you are making the world's greatest margarita recipe, if you can afford Patron, go ahead and get Patron. All right, let's make some margaritas. Okay, and we're ready to make our margaritas. So, first thing I do is I do have my drink shaker here, and you can tell it's chilled already. I put in about a half a dozen ice cubes just so it can chill up. And first thing we're going to do is we're going to add 1 ounce of margarita mix. Now this is a 2 ounce shot glass, so you easily use it to go ahead and measure. That's what I'm doing today. So half a shot glass is my 1 ounce. After that, we're going to add 2 ounces of tequila. There we go. 2 ounces of tequila. Next is 2 ounces of Cointreau. Now I know in the introduction I said it was 1 ounce. Made a mistake there, but I'll go ahead and correct that. It is 2 ounces that we're going to go ahead and use. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and put in our fresh lime. So we're going to go ahead and squeeze a lime in here. You want 1 ounce of lime, which is about a half of a good sized lime. So we'll squeeze in, get that to us there. There's our 1 lime there for us. I'm going to go ahead and cut a piece of lime that I'm going to keep in my margarita later. Okay, now let's go ahead and put our lid on here and shake it up. Give that a good shake. And get ready to pour. Now before we pour, we do need to go ahead and apply some salt to our glass. There we go. All right. Have some salt there. One margarita coming up. And lastly, we top it off with just a little spritz of Grand Marnier. And you want to just put in just enough to have a little bit of coloring added to the top of it there. Yes, beautiful color there. Yes. And there is the world's greatest margarita. Let's have a taste. Cheers. Yum. That's a fantastic margarita. In fact, it's the world's greatest margarita. Now, if you enjoyed my video, go ahead and hit the like button. And also, go ahead and feel free to hit subscribe as well to my YouTube channel. And you can always check out my blog, mylowcountryliving.net. Thanks. See you next time.